Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to discuss about pseudo first order reaction, isn't it? Pseudo first order reaction. Now, let me take what is the definition of pseudo first order reaction. It means the molecularity is compared with what? Order. They are not equal. In which molecularity you are going to get 2 and order is here 1. Order is equal to here what? 1. Such type of reactions are called pseudo first order reaction. Molecularity is equal to 2 means bimolecular reactions following rate equation of first order. Next, what is this pseudo? Pseudo means what? What is the meaning of pseudo? Pseudo means generally what? False. False first order reactions. Why do they call false first order reactions? We'll take one example and I will explain this one. Example, I have taken inversion of cane sugar. Now cane sugar molecular formula is C12H22O11. O11 it is, right? Next, it is reacting with the water to give glucose plus fructose. Okay, this is the chemical reaction, inversion of cane sugar. Cane sugar is treating with water. Very simple, hydrolysis of cane sugar. Now here this is a solvent actually. Generally we take solvent excess amount. Generally the solvent we take either water, generally we'll take water or alcohol, generally we'll take as a solvent. Now the solvent taken here excess amount, but the amount here it is consuming is what? Very less. You take an excess amount for the reaction, but amount consumed here, the amount here it is consuming is what? Very less here. Whatever the amount it is consumed is what? Actually very less. Water is consuming very less. Because of this, what happened? What we are taking when you are writing the rate expression, K into concentration of cane sugar, concentration of water, but this you are not considering for the rate expression. Why? Because this is utilized, isn't it? Very less. Consumed what happened? Very less. The concentration of water consumed is what? Very less here. So in that case what happened? The effect of concentration in this case what happened? Negligible. When the concentration is affecting is negligible, so no need to consider in the rate expression. Now here 1 plus 0 is equal to here 1, first order, and it is elementary reaction. So in elementary reaction, how many molecules are participated? 1 and 2. 2 molecules are participated, and the molecularity here what actually? Molecularity here 2, isn't it? And whereas order is equal to what here? 1. Therefore it is pseudo first order reaction. This I can explain with one more suitable example, isn't it? We'll take acid catalysis of ester hydrolysis reaction. So this is the chemical reaction. Now what happens actually here, when you do undergo reaction here, we get here OH, here we get hydrogen. So this will convert into CS3, COOH, this will convert into C2H5, C2H5OH, CS3, COOH. In this way you are going to get products. Now what I am saying here, before initially how many moles have taken? 0.01 moles of ethyl acetate. This is called what? Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. So the number of moles I have taken initially 0.01 moles. And this is solvent, water is solvent. So I have taken here excess, that is what? 10 moles. And initially what happened? There is no products. So here it will be 0 only. This is initial. It is what? Initial. Now at T time something T time, something's maybe 10 seconds or 20 seconds at T time. Now all 0.01 moles are participated. Okay, now we're going to get here 0 moles, and here also 0.01 mole will be, because 1:1 reaction. If it is reacting 1 mole, water also will react 1 mole only. So here out of 10 moles, only 0.01 mole is reacted, and 9.9 moles of water is does not consumed here. Okay, that is remained in the mixture. That means this amount of water is not influencing the rate of reaction. Even though you take an excess amount here, isn't it? The concentration of the water is what here? Negligible here. Now you are getting something 0.01 mole. So the rate is expressed here 1, it will be 0, right? Now, but concentration of water does not get altered much here. See how much concentration I have taken here? 10 moles I have taken. How much remaining if you are having? 9.9 moles is remaining now. That means among 10 mole, if 9.9 mole is remaining, that means what happened? The concentration is what? Not altered much, isn't it? Next, we observe here the rate will be, if it is 0, the rate will be what happened with respect to this one? Only concentration of ethyl acetate only. Therefore, it is a first order reaction. So this is about the pseudo first order reaction. We'll take some questions here. The following is pseudo first order reaction. Which is for pseudo first order reaction? Inversion of hydrolysis and acid hydrolysis, generally called what? Pseudo first order